Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to run a C++ program and how to use dev C++ as your integrated development environment in writing C and C++ programs. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. We are improving in terms by numbers of subscribers. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. We have here a shortcut of the dev C++ program. Actually, this software is free to download in the internet. What is good about dev C++? Number one, it is on open source. It is free to use and download. Number two, it can run on older and newer computers without any problem. Number three, it is very seldom to crash in your computer or your operating system. So in this tutorial, so how do we run dev C++? Assuming that dev C++ is already installed in our computer, we have here the shortcut. So what I will do is to double click this shortcut icon of dev C++, and then it will display this menu. Select file, select new, source file. Now once it is displayed already, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a very simple C++ program. Let's say for example we want to create a C++ program to find the sum of 4 numbers. So first we write the command sharp include IO stream input output stream using namespace std or standard. If we want to include some comment, we may do so by using double slash, and then here we have here a very short program description: addition of 4 numbers in C++. Author yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Let's say the date at the time of this recording is the date is September 17, 2020. Location Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. My email, if you want to send me an email, we have here jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Now, what is the importance of having a comment? Comments are very useful if we want to describe the purpose of our program, or there is certain portion of our code that we want to put some description, so it can easily for us to recall the things that we have done if we wrote this program several months or several years. If you are working in a company and then you are working with other software engineers or developers, having a comment is very advantageous because they will able to understand what is the purpose of a certain code in your program. So that's why I'm including here a comment, no? So next we have here int main, the starting point of any C++ program. So I will declare 5 variables: int sum equals 0, a equals 0, comma b equals 0, c equals 0, and d equals 0. So we have here 5 variables with a data type of integer. When we saying about integer, it is a data type consists only with whole numbers, negative and positive, including 0. So next, we have here the title of our program, console out, left shift operator, \t or horizontal tab, addition of 4 numbers in C++. This will be the title of our program, semicolon, console out, left shift operator, ~2 \n or new line. This symbol, the \t and \n or new line, is called escape sequence in C++. Console out, left shift \t, give 4 numbers. As much possible, I try to make our code shorter so that it is very easy to understand. Next, we have here console in for input, right shift operator A, right shift operator B or variable B, right shift operator for variable C, and right shift operator for variable D rather. And then we have here an assignment statement or assignment variable called sum equals A plus B plus C plus D. It will perform a series of addition. So we have here a new line, and then we will display the result. The sum of the total sum is left shift operator sum, left shift double quotation period semicolon. Okay, so after we have done, the next step that we will do is to save our work. Press Ctrl S, and then let's say drive D, YouTube. We will create a folder here, how to use div C++. This will be the name of the folder, and then we have here the file sum.cpp. Always make sure that the file name and then the extension should be CPP for C++. Why? Because if we don't specify the extension, the default extension in div C++ will be C. So we are writing a C++ program, not a C program. After which, click the save button to save our work. And then after we save, let me explain first, to recap, so we have here the library, standard input output library in C++, and then we have here a series of variables. We have actually 5 variables, and then we have here the title, and then we have here the portion of our code that will ask for numbers that will be stored in 4 variables that are variable A, B, C, and D. Next, this portion of our code will perform the addition of 4 variables that will be stored in our variable sum, and then it will display the total sum in this line of code. So next, we will go to execute in the menu, and then compile and run. Check for syntax error and execute the program. Okay, right now our program is running, but we want to check if the output is correct. Let's say give 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the total sum is 10. Okay, that is correct. Let us fix some formatting. Let us add \t. Ctrl S to save. Go to menu, go to execute, compile and run. Let's say we have 5, 5, 5, 5. So we are expecting addition of 4 numbers. In C++, give 4 numbers. Let's say we have 4, 5 values. Press the enter key. The total sum is 20. So this will be the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to run a C++ program in div C++ environment. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.